Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Do you like the islands and all the fruits that they have? Well, then try this tropical harmony.
Smartfruit has such amazing variety. I love the papaya, passion fruit, guava, and pineapple together. I mean, where can you find that kind of mixture? And plus, it's so rich. It's so thick and yummy, and I like to have it just with ice and water. And it makes a really nice, refreshing drink. Sort of like a creamsicle kind of shake, but without all of the extra calories. And it's very frothy. You can see just mixing it with water and ice, it looks like a delicious, refreshing drink from the store. I just love it, and it tastes so yummy. You can have it all the time.
So spice up your fruit routine by trying the Smartfruit. You will love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.